Hi, my name is Satyajit Pattnaik and welcome back to the ProjectPro YouTube channel. In this video, we shall be talking about the career path of a data scientist. If you want to become a data scientist, then this video is definitely for you. In case you are already into the journey of data scientist, you are already midway, then definitely you should also watch this video because I have a very important announcement for you in this video. Stay tuned till the end. Now, talking about the career path of a data scientist, I think you must already be knowing that data analytics and data science is going to be one of the most important industries right now. And it's going to stay the most important industry in the next few years as well. And that is one of the reasons why many of you have started into the journey of data science and analytics. Many of you want to become a data analyst, many of you might want to become a data scientist as well. Now, many of you might also be confused where to start, how to start, and a lot of things. Well, in this video, I will give you a career path. What needs to be studied first, and then what, and then what. This is definitely going to be an end-to-end video explaining you about each and everything that you need to learn to become a data scientist. So it all starts with the Python programming language. Programming is going to be a must to become a data scientist. If you are not coming from a programming background, or if you don't feel that you might become or might grasp Python programming language, in that case you can probably go for an easier option which is called as data analytics. Data analytics and data science are kind of the same domain, but data analytics is kind of little bit easier than data science. I'll talk about the data analytics journey in a separate video, but in this video we shall be talking about the data science part. Once you understand Python programming, trust me, the traditional Python programming is not important. You should know the basics of Python and then get started with pandas, numpy, matplotlib, seaborn, all these kind of libraries. Once you're done with Python, next comes the knowledge on SQL, structured query language. Because in real time, we usually deal with SQL or NoSQL databases, so understanding the SQL language is going to be important as well. Now, talking about data science, it all starts with programming language. So Python is at the top of the list if you want to become a data scientist. If you want to choose R, that is also a fine option, but these days with the advancements of Python, with the community that has been built right now, Python is a bit easier to understand, and whenever you are stuck in any problem, you can simply Google it out and you will get the solutions very easily. So learning Python is not going to be a blocker for you. In worst case, if you are not that confident on Python, you can still choose a data analytics option. You can still become a data analyst without learning Python. What exactly is all about data analytics? I might be talking about that in a separate video. Coming back to the data science part. After Python, then comes SQL, structured query language. Now, why do we learn SQL? Because in real time, we often deal with databases. That is our primary source of data. We get data, we do some activities, and we transfer back data to the database. So database understanding is going to be very important. Then comes understanding on statistics and mathematics. Well, I'm pretty much sure the concepts that we will be using in statistics and mathematics, you might have already studied in your school days, might have forgotten the memories, but understanding of statistics and mathematics is going to be crucial because machine learning algorithms, the back end, the skeleton is all about statistics. It is built upon statistics. Data science is nothing but statistics. Now, statistics, how in-depth knowledge you want? See, statistics, people take bachelor's degree, people take master's degree. Now, definitely if you start spending so much of time, you might never become a data scientist, right? So 1 month of statistics or probably some topics central tendency, mean median mode, hypothesis testing, probability. These are some of these topics, normal distribution. Some of these topics are definitely important, which will create a base that you are kind of understanding the concepts, and going forward when you jump into the machine learning algorithms, you will automatically understand the statistics behind it. So statistics and mathematics are going to be a must. Then comes machine learning algorithms. Machine learning, which is also called as predictive analytics. So there are various machine learning algorithms. Machine learning is going to take you a lot of time to understand. Once machine learning is done, then you have to next focus on natural language processing. After NLP is done, then you have to get started with the deep learning part, which is the neural networks part. ANN, CNN, RNN, LSTMs, encoders, transfer learning, all these kind of concepts are going to be very, very important. Understanding of computer vision is not that mandatory. If you want to understand, that's fine. If you don't know, that is fine as well. So in short, the total number of skills are going to be Python, SQL, machine learning, NLP, and deep learning. These are going to be the must knowledge for a data scientist. Now, I was talking about something, right? If you are already in your journey, then I have an important announcement for you. Now, that announcement is related to, in case you are stuck in your portfolio projects, in case you have some issues with your portfolio projects, you have already started with your data science journey, you are struggling with projects, you are struggling with project ideas, how to solve a problem, then you should definitely check out ProjectPro. In case you are looking out for project ideas, then you should definitely check ProjectPro. In ProjectPro, considering data science, you can see there are so many project options. If you want to choose machine learning, you want to choose deep learning, TensorFlow related projects, neural networks, NLP, any kind of projects, you can find it here. Let's go into data science projects. You can see there are so many project options: building a credit default risk prediction model, learn to build a Siamese neural network for image similarity, feature store example for scaling machine learning, NLP project for beginners on text processing and classification. In case you want to learn about this project and you want to embed this project in your particular resume as a capstone project or as a portfolio project, then you should definitely click on it and go through it. ProjectPro has created this particular platform to ease up your difficulties in understanding a project. They have multiple sections called as project details, download code. If you want to have some notes, you can have it, and there are multiple videos that will help you understand about this particular project, starting from understanding problem statement to data description to exploration of data and a lot of things. Well, that's all about this particular video. I hope you enjoyed it. In case you enjoyed, please subscribe this channel, like this video, share it as much as possible, and see you in the next video.